gentlemen, hey, today like this and I'm back to back, banger upon banger, hot sauce at Tarodo everywhere, just like that. My name is still remain A to the D to the A. The only girls who are beauty the stressor. Oh God, and I didn't come alone. I did with Papi Spendy.
What a life. I go by the name Papito. My guys are calling me Papi Spendy. You know.
What's in my go? All right, okay, we done on top another episode of ChookMouthGeng. And you know, saying nothing serious, just vibes. Today, we carry some better kajad season 6 Big Brother housemate inside the house here, inside the studio here. Oh God, God bless I did inside the house. Oh God, what a lie! Like this. I don't say Big Brother goes to start 24th of July, and then if you be say you go see me for the house, I don't give an exclusive, exclusive here and there.
But no talk this thing now.
No, my
don't cast them now.
My mouth don't spoil them. I feel no go again. My mouth also say the same way they keep this kind of thing. But you know, I get white money. White money, how you doing?
Yeah, what's going on? White money there. Time master. Who do you do?
We.
God do. That's so money they talk. Then they talk out.
Yeah.
Sega baby.
You know how it be
I guess which are likeness for this girl, but you know, no, not normal likeness.
Now color now the same self.
Same color. Caramel topping. Do get it. At least if you don't see another thing, you go see the skin now.
Poppy, very fresh, very stainless.
Your face show, your skin light.
I should shine.
You're on top.
Saga. How far? How you doing?
I do alright.
Can we speak pidgin?
I did speak pidgin.
Okay.
Boy now.
Hey, you gotta do my say. You see, I never even talk finish. But Saga, how you doing really?
I do alright. I'm happy to be out here, man.
Alright, thank you very much. Happy day, I am man.
I'm happy.
That's the
That's how much we go for
I'm
barracks.
happy to be here.
Okay, what we'll get into what we want to talk about. The topic today now, how easy it be to enter inside Big Brother house, because we don't hear so many things. Again, when we hear Papi Spendy say you got to pay 10 million naira.
When I hear the price, I don't say
what's happen. If I get 10 million naira, why won't go? You know.
No, we don't get price. What money there? Go just pay on my behalf.
Why money get 5 slots? Man,
Okay, for this next one.
This the one that they talk me, I don't know about them.
No.
Okay, make us start. Make us start to tell her how easy it is to enter inside.
Okay, you know, yeah. You see this Big Brother thing. Sometimes I go to tell people say, is what's it called? Wetin they call them? Public experiments.
Okay.
Social experiment.
So it's a social
experiment.
Voila, deal.
Hey
God! I said a social experiment. Do you understand? Not to chook man this side. If you chook your mind this side, even us. Ma put us now because this season now I'm go to view him. You understand? Not to chook. You know, now this is it here. We will come outside.
Okay.
We watch them from outside. When they say, no wonder it easy to judge person from outside. You get. When you day inside, you day a different world. So no matter how much you like pay 10 million, we don't know who they collect the money. Because me as I did like so, my pa no get that kind of money. Mama no get. Do you get? And I'm like this is my 5th time where I try. So you know they easy. Why money on? Like on in don't write jam for Big Brother. You don't reach. I dey tell you, you don't get cut off mark like 2 times. No cut off mark with this near. So some of us we don't go, we don't see how it be. You know, naughty day side, man no lie. Platform day, I no go lie you. Platform day, it's a supreme platform. Anything we want to do, use. But not chook mind inside.
Okay, Saga, make we hear from you. How easy it is to enter inside that Big Brother house?
How easy it is to enter inside Big Brother house? Almost, it go hard make trade pass through the eye of the needle. I did tell you because the amount of people they apply for this thing.
It choke.
And it's such a random process. I'm going to go back to pidgin now. Okay, so what I talk be say is like it's a difficult process, but then as Tega said, no put your mind for him. You know, just apply. And just leave them to God. Just a pray. Not tell anybody because you go tell people make it just go up. If you don't say good work out. So just apply like me now. That's my first attempt.
Oh, just first one and you get them.
Yeah,
How you did your head though?
You know, I applied. Pidgin. So
I shook hand.
I took hand from Port Harcourt. You know, as an oil and gas engineer. You know, I applied, and it can't happen that they pick me. Shock.
I go opinion hard.
No be normal person. No be people wey normal. No be people wey normal. They go that. They be too normal.
Normally, I think speak with you, but it's just the microphone is not just working so well.
Okay, right, buddy. Your master. They say you get 5 slots. You get question paper.
In the past question.
You get past question.
Show us the way.
How easy is it to enter inside that big brother house?
Well, depends on your definition of easy. Because it's not easy. It's dating a mental draining system. A mental draining. Yeah. Even we speak and say I'm not confused. We speak the English.
I don't hear public experiment. Mental draining system.
Hey, PG, don't leave me today.
Everything happen. Like, what's going on?
Well, the thing is here, easy.
Okay.
Man, no lie. Easy because me don't try 4 times, and like I remember the first time I tried. Then that time they do people they come road as in now gathering be online then.
One time, yeah.
So I remember I not pass the stage 2. You understand? They come up me. But the law no state say if you audition twice. You only state if you audition for the same place twice. So that day was Lagos. The next day was Ibadan. The next morning I enter motor go Ibadan straight. That night I come audition 7 a.m. Then I audition reach 9 p.m. and I no still win. I no still enter the pass stage 2.
Why would you want win?
The next morning I leave my salon, enter bus, go Ibadan. That was my first time I enter Ibadan. Go to the audition. I called the audition for Ibadan, come win the regionals for there, get the golden ticket from morning till night because the process was going on. I can't get the golden ticket for Ibadan. They can't come back to Lagos for the stage 4. They can't come out me. I know work. I still come. I can't come back the 3rd year. Can't do no work before this 4th one. We will come. The 3rd one we will come. So I don't even do 1 step to enter a house. See me for me just enter house. No still work. I can say, God, what did they solve? Who they breathe inside my matter like this? Which coven they talk? Then can come at the 4th one. Before the 4th one, even from the 4th one auditions, everything just goes. Everything can be like saying, now then they wait for me to come. I'm telling you because everything just can't they go. The positivity
very
was
smooth,
not.
I mean?
Yeah, the 4th one I can't be more relaxed. Because when I even enter the judges see me, they say you again.
Customer dad.
I tell them, they say, customer today. They say you again. So yeah, ask yourself because I saw the question, you know the drill. You understand? Because you don't believe say this guy. Now that one go tell you say there's credibility in the show. Because let's assume now say they know me or they don't want me. They don't see my face. They say I beg bring it. All this credibility. I still got past all this process. I get to that process of meeting the judges 1-on-1. And they're like, you again? I say we call on them. Then entering the show it's a different thing. Like take a talk. Inside that house, 4 closed walls, we do on your own, a separate world on your own. If you dey inside there, fall in love, fall out.
In fact, come to that one. Fall in love, fall out. Ah, yeah.
Yes.
White money don't fast forward me, but I did up to the task.
Okay, now don't.
Saga,
shaking
no
this
shake.
When it comes to love,
I will not want to come.
I don't forget.
I shout, Jesus!
What a lie.
What a lie.
And okay, when we talk about falling in love and falling out of love, because I can't the one that say, I know say they're easy to put people for the same space. I know if feelings go grow, emotion go fly here and there. But the matter of love, I know I say you go just enter house because you can't be like say after the first week, but then it's time to fall in love. Now 2nd week, now love falling. I can't fall in love for 2nd week.
you get tempted with
Or
strategy.
maybe because people feel say that love thing be like strategy because people love to see couples for screen, do the love thing. You can't make you stay longer for house. I don't know, but Saga go start it too because.
No answer that question. My answer for her.
Thank you. Because Saga, be like say you fall in love.
See, you see, like that.
No,
house.
Saga jump in love.
You see that house, like I said, na social experiment.
Okay.
Nigeria we too suffer. So anything will be like now 2 things now in the trip us, violence and love.
I don't want peace. I want problem.
Always now violence and love. You see where they call us boring season? All of us we don't dey late by God no come fight me or no come fight me. We don't want your problem. Do you understand? Yeah. So they say we're boring. So now the love aspect, now they use support ourselves. Now 2 things are involved. Either you are real to carry whole self inside that place. Guy, no they enter that place. In case you don't know.
Everything na AC.
It's tight
Na
like
only AC. So
Even
you
for
don't
outside,
even
say they
need
put
air.
cover sef.
May not be,
no, air
they don't even
condition.
put air. They don't even put air. Make your people, village people, no send message through air. Come jam you for that. It's okay. No, do like this. Enter
No
like
entry.
this. So everywhere is locked. So
Wow.
it's the world of your. They call them our own UAR.
okay.
So you can do anything.
You're
You understand? So you feel fall in love, carry whole side, for inside there. You feel fall in love, and it's genuine.
Okay.
Do you get? So you no go blame her. I know what I mean. Because it's like I want to talk about.
Say God, they fight your battle.
Yes. Yes. If you want to talk about that thing.
No,
plenty
are
people-
they interested in hearing what Sagato? Because if
Wetin you want to talk
no,
about?
my
Never know
daughter,
before.
no, my daughter,
Hey, you know.
my
Wetin you
daughter,
want
Her
talk
name
we
start
never
from
know
N.
before.
you know my daughter.
Ends in.
Who is that?
My daughter! My daughter! My child, yes, who's that?
What's that?
As Tega don't talk. What exactly is your question?
You don't go get me.
For my
Sagono-
daughter,
Sagono-
I
Sagono-
don't
Sagono-
know.
Love.
Sagono how to
In
enter
a
now.
quick, they forget this.
I said
Whether I throw na
you
lie.
jump in love because
Okay.
you know fall.
Yeah,
You jump.
yeah.
Wetin happen?
Oh, you asking me wetin happen?
I tell guy, you don't go get me.
So,
lost.
the thing be say as
Oh, sorry. Sorry, my dear. Sorry.
as Tega talk am, that house no breathing space.
Okay.
So you're locked in a room. I promise you, if they lock that door now, when they leave all of us here for 3 days, as we did, like when they do the pass for under the table,
Now you go fall in
things
love
go
first.
happen. Things go happen.
I am in love
Things
with
wey pass
an
love, things
angel.
go happen.
So,
Yes.
see the first thing go happen. Now this guy go first tell and say, Omo, you fine no.
I tell you,
Because they see the same face.
I'm telling you,
24/7.
I
know,
never
so-
see your beauty this
I mean,
way.
the
And,
voice where we dey hear where we
as
know
also as Tega talk, you cannot know how it is till you dey inside that house.
Okay.
As you dey like this way, they make my papito number one.
Now we
You
dey
go
run things.
fall in love. It's just a matter of
love
no. It's just a matter of
Love not your man.
say the person reciprocate love or the person don't reciprocate love.
Yeah.
A lot of people attempted it in that house, but
Yeah.
maybe they didn't just find their match.
Yes.
Who knows?
Yes.
But at least they must have felt some sort of affection for
Exactly,
someone.
exactly.
So
Exactly.
fortunately for me, as I'm going to live it.
Oh yeah.
White money. Wait till you get to talk about this falling in love matter inside the house.
Yeah, well, it's inevitable. You know, fit.
White money fall in love. No, you know fall.
I didn't fall in love.
You know fall. We get one person who I didn't start with.
But you get crushed now.
Crush. What's in my crush?
You don't say you get crushed now.
Candy
Really?
Crush.
Oh, that na for screen. Na screen talk. I don't fall in love.
Do I
don't
hear
too suffer-
strategy?
I don't too suffer. Yeah, you had it loud and clear, bro.
No, possible now. What I tell you, talk.
Nah, screen
Anything
talk.
fit happen.
Nah, screen talk with that. You understand? Basically, I'm not gonna lie you, man. You know, emotions go grow for the house.
True.
You will begin like somebody, you understand, but if you get sense, stay true to yourself. You not get anything be say you won't do, if you method out for 3 months or 2 months, don't say 2 months, but you know fit. So real, like for example, from that same show, that should not produce credible marriages. We still day on today. Credible. So if you rule out the fact that there's no true love in the Big Brother's house.
Let me also add something. Another thing I want to make everybody know be say, you see, love is not only relationship love. What about talk now? Say his daughter. This is a year. He's still calling her my daughter. That's a relationship.
Yes.
Cross and parent.
Even as we travel like this now, me and Nini to travel like 2-4 days ago.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
travel
5-6 days ago.
Which you need to see where they carry am the for her.
Think update.
Alpha, you don't pay bride price.
No,
To the father.
how can they talk those guys for now? Bride price. I
Now,
don't pay the bride price.
I see the whole am for hand, the waka for airport. I see they feel like saying I see that in my egg. Even I know say in wise pass
Not
me.
be only heck.
But
Mona leave me.
I don't say in wise pass me, but I see they feel that I see the whole am like okay, get person we want book her for something. You understand? The person say if we go book Odinini, she no go come. But if we put her with her papa, she go come. So I don't know say the person don't talk am. I can't ask. I say how far they don't book for this thing. Say I will not go, but if they say me, I won't go. You understand? Because that bond still there. So that's kind of love fit there. But me, basically, I was more like the collector. I just did the middle.
But White, we get what I want to ask you.
Yeah.
We could talk about strategies now to enter the house.
Yes.
Before, most of the interviews I don't watch, they say you don't get strategy. But people they talk say, the way we take cook for that house, you really cook.
Yeah,
you
nah.
really take care of people.
White money no get strategy, but he strategize.
Jump things down.
Wizzy Pro.
I've been talking already. Actually, this thing I've been talking already. You know, that remember that Sunday where I supposed come out.
It's not supposed to come out.
I said, no, you on my you pigeon. That Sunday.
Okay.
I meet her for kitchen. I say, guy, you try. When we come out outside, I go talk with her. I won't talk. You try. Whatever it is, whatever it is, you try. But then again, you use what you have to strategize.
No, but the thing is that even up until date, you understand. If you call my crib, now, if you come up here now, they go my house straight. Because my freezer they stocked with soups and food. No cap. Nobody cooks my food. Nobody cleans my house. Nobody drives me. If you see say they don't drive me, may know so with a good show. We be say I need to day back or sit. They rest it now. But say regular aside they go. I drive myself. I know they're very domesticated. Very, very. So now my lifestyle we can't turn the strategy. Now lifestyle we be saying now lifestyle at the end time. Because I enter their place. I don't look no that the only thing I know how to do now. Cook, clean, compose, create. That's it. So I just held on to it. But me no say wait now they do the work for me for outside.
Yeah, but it really work for you, and you know they easy
work,
to cook like steady back to back.
It work.
It's not easy.
Man, it's not easy.
It work.
I mean,
I
sometimes
enjoyed
when
it.
they hear say people they say white man is such a thing I cook. I say, but if you
And they pity any person who go cook
this.
This conversation
It's
it's very funny
Cook.
because nobody that went to the house without a strategy.
But some people say they don't carry strategy
even if you talk say you no get strategy, that's a strategy in itself.
Yes. If I'm not having a
Yes,
strategy.
now.
Actually.
Now the thing be say white money, that cooking thing where you do, it really work for him. That's why it looks so this thing. I coach people in the house every morning.
Yes.
Yeah.
For
We know
9
that
weeks.
part. We know
Yes.
that part.
Nobody's calling the strategy.
When they come out, you say,
Actually,
9 weeks. I stayed till the
if you understand,
the
you see why I'm
semi-final.
saying
They
that
don't
it's
come out,
what
coach.
you
So it's
you
just
know
great.
how
Come
to-
on,
what
I
is part
commend
of
white
you.
money a lot
Voila.
because the guy
Yes.
did well and he worked for him. But it's not an insult when they say it's
Yeah, no,
strategy.
not true.
It's an applaud.
Is
You
it?
understand?
Yeah, because
Because it worked.
Because it worked.
Because
you know,
guy,
I trained more
not
than
be
you
my
cooked.
hobby.
See, yes.
You know what I
Does
mean?
not mean I
Yeah.
don't know
I
how
was
to
training
cook.
people even
Do you get?
after
like
the
this
morning session. The white money is on top
No,
about.
you not go again.
But nobody's going to say that was my strategy.
I don't
You
know.
don't go great.
So a lot of things happen. Even I cooked as much as I composed a lot of songs, but people didn't see that.
Now the cooking part.
Cooking, yeah, you understand? People just focus on the cooking distance. So now lifestyle, we come the strategy for everybody. So, but for me, I will still say this and I'll say this again. Be yourself, regardless. Yeah, people will like or hate you. They will like and hate you at the same time. Even as I be like this, I'm still hated by some people. It's not possible that everybody likes me. I like.
Welcome to my world.
Get me where they hate me. That's it. I beg you. We go to cook and man, they cook like that.
Okay.
get-
And we could
Now
talk
woman
about
work with that.
criticism, and I go start with Tega because I know say when Tega come out of that house.
She collect.
Back to back, or more, back.
I go just enter street.
At the
Like, I
mention
come back
of
naked. They don't tell me
Tega,
cloth.
I call it pity.
at the mention of Tega, every mouth shall talk.
Everybody has and had an opinion. You understand? And it be like when my sister say, "Oh my," it be like say this year I go. I don't dey look am. I say, "I know am now. We go support you." But me, I no go tell you go or no go because I don't enter. I don't see am. Nigerians, we don't like real people. We don't like anything that is real. Forget the fact that say na reality show. You understand? But you need understand say na show and na game. So sometimes I go just sit down like they reflect on, let's say, Mama Patience or Zokwo. Those days when we they look am like how they mean they hate them. I'm like, I dey give myself say, you know what? This too will pass. Because you go into a show, you do whatever is on the show, and then you come out and people forget that it's a show. They just want to talk. They just, as hypocritical as we are in this country.
What to be political?
Hypocrite. Sorry, I should talk am again.
People where they pretend to. Much.
Pretenders.
If I talk that one now.
It's hypocritical.
They too pretend. Even person wey be say you don't do it on come on. This Tega, you did this.
Yes.
You are an embarrassment. So I'm like,
Sorry, an embarrassment rather.
what exactly?
You know,
no, it was crazy.
No,
Yeah.
yes,
With-
yes.
was
We see,
crazy.
with Big Brother, yeah, there's nothing like right or wrong. It's just how many people like you, how many people don't like you. There's no, if you know, say this thing I'm doing is right.
Yeah.
Like person fee do even lover boy strategy one day go win this show. I'm telling you, somebody will do cooking strategy one day and it won't work. It will work against you.
While I for cook this season, they don't block kitchen. This is gonna be like every time. You want to go get out?
I'm telling you, I talk to them. You have to be, if you're going for Big Brother, you guys don't they ready for criticism.
Just be ready.
It comes hand in hand
With the game, yeah.
with the game.
Nice one. White money, you how you take handle your own. You make them even get any criticism.
Yeah,
People criticize you.
honestly, I
Practice
didn't have
somehow.
Yeah,
much.
I don't see.
Now
I
just
didn't have
the
much.
lazy ones.
Yeah.
Where they lazy some let me use the quote, some lazy men wey feel say to cook na bad thing.
True.
I'll be very honest. I'll be very, very honest. In fact, my own backlash now when I don't come out. Now I can't even get my own backlash because as I come, everybody expects I go to a restaurant. I say, nah, teeth out to open up. Now I had to do my own backlash. Say, you're not supposed to be doing your music. Go and open a restaurant. I say, teeth. You don't know what thing they do. You don't know how much we space for Lekki or for VI. They never tell you. It's more than it's times 3 of my prize money that I want. Talk more of fitting, equipment, all those things. Bring money, we go to a restaurant. You understand? So, but apart from that, while the show, most of the criticism that I got is not while I was there.
Now when you don't come out.
When I don't come out because bro, I came out to a lot of love. A lot of love.
But I like the fact say white money break that stereotype. Say man no fit dey run cooking for kitchen.
True. Makes
It break
sense.
am.
Makes
Me, I
sense.
like
Makes
man
sense.
where they sabi cook.
Makes sense.
I
Same
can
here.
cook well.
And the truth is that everybody for that house knows how to cook. Everyone knows how to cook. The issue that we were having was with the quantity.
If you ask Saga whether you know how to cook.
Saga they cut okra with tape.
Not me say you know how to cook.
Saga
Nah.
sabi do fry this.
No,
Saga.
I might not be an excellent main chef.
Yeah.
But I'm an excellent assistant chef. I can't lie.
No, but
I know Saga I be the
I'm
notice
not
it
joking.
well.
Down, you prep the food down.
I'm telling you,
look,
legit.
everybody for that at least know how to cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, even you make noodles now food because at the time noodles was like
Na
the
gold.
king of the food in the house. So, but the problem where we dey get na quantity. Most people don't get experience in cooking for more than 2. Once I pass 2, Maggi go pass sauce go pass Maggi. That's the kind of thing. So me, I had experience in cooking for if lemon with 50, I will feed one. But I say I don't run a restaurant before, so the experience still dey my head. So for me, that's what I say. But when you get who try and cook one time for all of us, we be say cross say na. Wait, is this a prank? Because if you come the rice like this,
Make you no mention name.
Na fish.
Make you no
I remember
mention
that
name.
statement. Na fish we be.
wait, please, wait. Tell us that prank and the prank. Food sweet die. Nobody say it was very sweet, but the thing was like this small portion. You understand? So everyone like say na prank with this and like the real food.
Okay, coming out of the house now, that the final question I want to ask you this. How you they handle the fame? Because on the norm, if you dey walk out for road, before people not to notice you, if you stop buy corn, if you stop hail person, if you just see one kind small local place, just enter, do 1 or 2 things. But now we be say you be white money, Saga, Tega, or Big Brother house. People expect a whole lot. As a matter of fact, the kind of car where you even ride, people feel look and say, it will Tega, it will Saga, we go Big Brother house. You see, right, this kind of car, or they live for this kind of environment. You know, how they handle the fame and how people expect to live in a life now outside the house.
See.
Tega.
You see this thing where they ask me so. Now question we supposed ask me since last year. I be going through a lot. I know if you fake my life. Inside the house, outside the house. At least people who don't see me from inside till now. I no get energy. Like sometimes my sister will say, you sure say you go Big Brother? I said, but what do you want me to do? Like I can't literally put myself under. I no fit put myself under pressure because say I won't impress anybody. You understand? It be like one time where Saga been told say to collect stylist, collect this, collect. See, I'm not fit. You don't understand? Like I set my priorities straight. Like I get list of priorities. You understand? I no go one because I want impress you because you want make I know say I did. You understand? You now be putting me under unnecessary pressure to like keep up. I need to change my small Lexus to a big Lexus because it is me. No, it's
No
not
fit
done
dey drink
that
pure
way.
water again.
Do you understand? Some of us we business persons when we enter. You get what we were looking for was numbers to carry sell our business. Do you understand? So if at the end of the day, why money to see me no win. They waiting for they run enter in business sharp because he has the numbers. So he in the enter in business. Okay, when I don't, they want us done. I get something for now. Do you get? We have the numbers now. So the people who won't use the numbers carry shovel, dig enter inside entertainment then dig. that they can do anything, then they, irrespective of anything. But me, as I did like this, so I know they impress anybody.
Okay. Saga.
You get.
Yeah. How do I deal with?
Yeah, how you dey deal with, outside the house now? How people they see you? The kind of life where people expect you to dey live.
The standards he choke, but I just try to live my life as much as I can on my own standards.
Okay.
Normally I'd be very simple guy, so I just live my simple life. That's just it. I
Okay.
don't let anybody pressure me into anything. I do before I enter the house, I did do engineering, I did do fitness, I did do art. Right now I can't do engineering, but at least I'm still doing my fitness and my art. Hopefully my house will pay. Simple.
Okay. White money. How you dey- your own. You dey even work out for street.
I still dey drive the car while I win. I still drive my nose with the logo on top of the body, because I don't move.
That's realness,
So,
bro.
I get my security and everything, but I don't bring out my security anyhow. Bring them out when it's necessary. You understand? Like I come here, I drove myself. I came. You understand? My main the main thing why they tell people say it's more important to work out your mindset and work out your account balance than trying to impress people online. Offline, you have to be a made man. So for me, I still, if I dey drive, I want seafood that is like I dey stop by them. Highest people they see this shower. I money. You don't feed them anything. That you can't do anything. You can't kidnap the kidnapped.
Of course.
I don't think I'll
Go
be kidnapped
return me
already.
straight.
You can't kidnap the
More
kidnapped.
money not there for ransom.
You understand?
I swear.
So I still dey live my life. I still dey drive the car away. In fact, now I know develop the car away because road no good. So now that car they doing work. I
Ew.
see they drive the car away. And I see the logo every day, but I see the car. I'm proud to drive it.
Yes,
they say,
ma'am.
would you remove
You
the logo? I
worked for
say,
it.
no.
Move what?
My pikin will come meet them. Children will come meet them. Now trophy with that. Now we can't see them because I know the suffer I suffer from. Commander.
To
So
get that stage,
my
yeah.
life still day the way it did. Yes, a little bit standards don't change. You understand environment and everything. Yeah, but say me what I don't change. I see they work out for road. I they forget so I don't blow. I go leave my security work. They go, oh God. So that's true. I made it.
Yes.
I'll run, come back, and they forget. My team, they remind me, say, White, you have to stop some certain things. Stop repeating clothes. Stop repeating. I say, okay.
That repeating clothes owner. I dey feel for owner.
Bruh.
Me, I no send.
And
Oh.
they
repeat
repeat
clothes.
now,
I
eh?
feel for owner.
I no
repeat that. You
send.
see-
Men shall no smell.
You
Wash am iron long.
see, I see this cloth now. Watch. Another interview for another FM, you go see him.
Now when I first come out, the thing was a little difficult. When
It
I
was
first come
difficult.
out. When I first
I
come out,
prepped
that last
my
year was
mind.
difficult.
The only
But
thing
this
I
year, man, no
prepped my
send.
mind about, where I prep my mind about, now this pressure.
Yeah.
Like I literally because I be no say go loud.
No, but based on
Yeah,
say,
go
no,
loud.
based
I
on
mean, no
say,
say go
based on say,
loud.
for me, it's a different thing because I dey into showbiz. You understand? I dey into showbiz. It's normal for an entertainer, a musician, actor, and everything to like change clothes or drops, normal level. You understand? So, but when I'm not on that scene, when I'm not currently performing or doing anything, I dey repeat bosses.
If you like wash now.
I swear, watch our face when you repeat
Wash
that.
now, bro. Which kind thing, you know?
No, repeat your bosses, definitely. You wash it, but you repeat it.
You repeat
Well,
it.
you want bosses to wear.
Repeat it. You repeat it.
No, I wear one boxers and I
Maybe.
buy a new one.
Yeah.
I don't do such. I don't repeat boxers.
You wear one boxers.
I have like
As they-
I have,
as they come
I have
out,
a
they buy
boxers
a new one.
vendor.
What kind of capping is that?
Fake life, child.
What kind of capping is that?
What's going on
Are
here?
we?
See, I remember.
I actually have a boxers dispenser.
See.
Just go just like fam.
See,
Sensor.
But see, but for real, I remember what you know what happened to me when I come out there.
Rest.
The first person I patronized boxers from was Dorothy, my full chest.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So when I did house, she bring her box. Remember, she bring her box. So I like the feel. They make your testosterone. They very.
Oh, God.
It's
testosterone.
yeah, but see,
I won't buy it.
the feel of the boxers was very
On your
amazing.
testosterone.
Yes, the feel,
I feel good.
no, see, the feel of the boxers was very, very nice.
Yeah,
so
I
when
agree.
for my mind, I thought if I come, I must buy. But when I come, nah, buy 2 sets of boxers, it cost so. When they bring these boxers, see, I got to that boxers will be like. I tell my guy for Yaba, man, just get where they buy like Sokan boxers. They were packing like 3,000 naira, like 15 pieces. You saw total hypo, so cap. How much? The guy bring them. But see that dollar to own, and they keep my inside box. Because the price only, eh?
You wear it occasion, special occasion.
Now you go check if you don't wear or not.
Now your
No, you
performance
don't fit
boxers.
me
No.
Now performance boxers. We don't want to see. We don't want to.
You gonna wear or not?
There are special occasions and they wear my pictures. So you see, that boss has give over on command and that's why they come Wazobia. ChookMouthGeng.
Damn.
ChookMouthGeng. You have
We
to wear
deserve
the
clip.
Just in case if you have to show your boxers, you have to be ready to show it with your full chest.
Okay, but if I go give any message to the incoming, the incoming undergraduate of
Give them
the
that.
Big Brother House, is in 7 people, what you go tell them? What you go
Just
tell them?
at this juncture, just things down. I'm about to begin. Don't be real.
Don't be real.
Yes, because if you're real, you get kicked in the testosterone. Yes.
Talking from
If you
experience.
know that you do not have a full chest, don't do what your gut is telling me. I like to dare. At the enter place where people know they enter, they do wetin people know fit do.
Yes.
Yes. I like to dare.
Yes,
Yes, I like to dare. Even till tomorrow, as I did like this, so they will say that place. No, they enter. You talk to this person. Yes, I go use joke talk to you, but I must talk to you. So if you know, say you don't get my full chest, like White Money always say, don't be real. Because if you're real, we are born to make mistakes. We're born to do different things. We're born to gag. You understand? So me, I would say don't be real. If you don't get liver, don't be real. But if you get liver, be yourself.
Okay, Saga.
Well, all these people will enter the house for this season 7.
season 7,
I know say they go don't strategize finish.
Plenty.
Why when if you wait talk people will go enter this set, they go don't sabi the game. They have 6 sets to learn from. So I'm just gonna say one thing. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself so that when you step outside, no matter how bad or how good it is, you go know for your chest.
Allow me
You
to
shall have
enjoy
fun.
myself.
Everybody feel me. You
Yeah,
go just know say
I
at least you had fun because no matter what, when you come out, you go see hate, you go see 1 or 2 things. Just make sure at least you had fun.
With your full chest.
Very simple.
full
Don't
chest.
cook. that one don't cast. Look for
You
something
go
new.
come out 1 week.
Look for something new.
Come and
Don't
move
say
from
when
there.
money cooked and won. Don't cook and win. No, if you cook, they go put you for
1
back.
week.
Yeah, but on the real though, just opposite what Peter said, be yourself. You understand? Whether you're toxic, whether you're fine, whether you're ugly, people will like and hate you regardless. You can never have all the 100% love. You can never have all the 100% hate. As much as people criticize Tega, there are people who still love her. You understand?
Sure.
Like you love her a lot. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So there's no way you can ever have all hate and all love. You have both. So just be yourself. And like Saga said, enjoy yourself. The jacuzzi, the party, whatever you have to
Once in a
enjoy it.
lifetime.
Because
The
once you
grinding.
come out,
They said they know give them.
once you
kissing.
come out, you can never go back
And
again.
they
There's
take-
nothing
They
like-
The kissing, the
They
kissing.
know the land.
To be honest,
kissing.
I don't feel like you actually miss some things in the house.
Now you know what they talk about. They echo your mind now.
No, you can't go.
I miss some
I mean, you
experiences.
don't pay things.
You
When
mean
you
truth
don't
or
pay,
dare?
you don't pay things.
And I like that game.
No, not just true. They see in the house, we don't get problem.
We don't pay for
We
things.
don't get problems. So our life was very simple.
Jedi free.
Welcome to real life.
My brother.
Where you pay for everything.
Yes.
Guy, if they ask me if I'll go, I'll say yes.
I mean, I
I
go
come
go
and
again,
jam bills upon bills. So
It's not just
the
this.
prayer
Even pressure
point, see, the
from
prayer
people.
point before we enter house was, Father, let us make it so we can be successful, help our family. Now prayer point now don't change. Father, bless my brother, bless them. Because
I
beg.
we are
When
with persons
When you step out of Big
There's
Brother,
problem.
listen, everything you do is measured.
measured.
Yes. They are watching everything. They are measuring. They are quantifying. They are judging you. It's crazy. But in the house, you make your mistake and you fucking have fun. You laugh. You cry and you go and eat. You get what you want. You get what
What time in the morning?
Yes, now.
Party on Friday.
No,
What?
no hate gets to you in the house. But outside.
Outside.
You choke.
Finally,
okay,
to the new guys coming in. Yeah. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you.
Voila.
See, this is a candid advice to you guys here, the new people. Please, by all means, sell yourself. Sell yourself. You understand? White Money has his endorsement, had an endorsement, apart from him being the winner. Why is he packing all the... Sell yourself, bro. If you know how to market. If you know how to talk. If you know how to do. Brands are watching. People are watching. Don't go and keep quiet because you want to be calm. You being calm is going to affect your pocket. Don't forget you have a limited time to stay in that house. When you come out, reality hits you. What you do inside will reflect what you're going to get outside. And I'm still reaping the benefit of what I did inside the house that I didn't even know I was doing. You understand? And it's still paying off till today. Sell yourself so hard, represent your people, and do what you have to do. When you come out, it will pay.
I'm indifferent to what he just said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you like, sell yourself like what market? Make sure as you're selling yourself, don't get care leg inside.
That is it.
Because
Selling yourself.
if you get care leg inside, they'll forget all the selling that you have done.
Even if you did promo or
I'm
discount.
telling you, I will
That
focus
care
on
leg.
that thing. I can tell you for fact. Now, small moment to put myself inside tree.
Maybe they walk you.
No,
Do you understand?
Or go slow.
They will forget the fact that you were good in this, you were good with this, you were good at this, and focus on.
Yeah,
That one thing when you do it
you're
no-
right. You're right in that, but do not rule out the one. Let's quantify 100%. 95% will hate you for that, but don't rule out that 5% because at the end of the day, you can invite 10,000 people to a show. 999,000 will come and eat your food and go. Those 1,000 will spray you and give you the money that you used to do the whole show.
You show.
So do not forget that selling yourself, one person is still watching. One person is looking at you.
Big brother is
end of
always
the day.
watching.
At the end of the day.
Last.
At the end of the day. So that's why I said as they sell yourself,
Make sure you no get kill leg.
make sure you say no get care leg. Because
Okay.
head go pay you, neck go pay you. For inside that selling.
You don't cast.
Last. Now everybody go chop breakfast.
Ayo.
All right, like this, we take close mouth on top of this episode of ChookMouthGeng. Nothing serious.
Just vibes.
All right, now don't hear Ramo. Season 7 people, my fellow housemates, them.
Why they talk this? Don't
This
cast up. Oh
is
God.
Big Brother.
Saga.
Reports
To the diary.
That's why we take close out.
Let me go.
That's why we take close out. Thank you
Microphone
very much, Saga White Money.
Daniel.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you,
we
guys.
love you. Season 7 people, if you like.
Go and get care leg.
If you like,
Now don't hear Ramo.
make they do that. They will come here, come talk.
Where they fast?
No kiss, oh.
No
There's
kiss.
no kiss.
No fall in love, oh. Saga, I know what talk.
This one I
Fall in
love.
love. Fall in love. What's there? Pata, you stumble. Jesus. What a lie.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye. We love you.
Thank you so much.